Welcome to RidgeLife. It's spring, we've had tons and tons of rain, and we've got all kinds of fungus growing in the yard. And if you've seen in the summertime, when you have a brown spot in your yard, that's probably a fungus. What we're going to put on today is Propiconazole 14.3 fungicide. We're going to add 1 ounce per gallon of our fungicide to our 2-gallon sprayer. We're also going to add a 1/4 ounce of surfactant to help it stick to all the plant material. So anytime we're dealing with chemicals, we want to make sure we're wearing glasses to keep the chemicals from getting our eyes, and latex or nitrile gloves. I like to add water to the sprayer first, and then we'll add our chemicals, and then we'll top it off with water. That way we don't get too much foam. Got the sprayer about 2/3 full of water. I'm going to add about 1 ounce of surfactant. You can go 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce. Anything more than 1 ounce is really a waste, but I'm going to go 1 ounce. Continue filling. Our Propiconazole 14.3 bottle has a squeeze dispenser that measures out the appropriate amount. So you just squeeze till you get 1 ounce, pour it in, squeeze till we get 1 ounce, pour it in. Now I'm going to top it off with water. Okay, we've got 2 gallons of water, 2 ounces of Propiconazole, and 1 ounce of surfactant. We'll have to just shake this up, pressurize it. We'll start applying it to the fungal areas. We're going to start in our backyard. We're going to go up and down looking for the areas of the slimy fungus or any kind of yellow patches. Now we're early in the season, so my Bermuda is really not growing, so in the summers when you'll see the yellow patches. So we're going to walk up and down looking for all those fungal spots, applying an even stream across the entire area. As we walk out through, we're going to apply an even stream to coat the area of fungus. We're not going to do the whole entire yard this time, but we are going to come back in 2 weeks to apply the second coat. I'm going to move on to the front yard now. I do want to remind everyone, make sure you're wearing rubber boots when you do this, because the overspray does get on your feet. And of course, you're walking through where you just sprayed in the overlap. So make sure you wear rubber boots as well as your eye protection and gloves. I finished spraying all the fungus in the backyard. I finished spraying all the fungus in the front yard. Now I'm going to come back in 2 weeks, do a second application, make sure we take care of this. Hope everyone enjoyed watching us take care of our fungal issues today in our yard. If you have any questions at all, please comment, email, Facebook. And as always, please subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell if you want to see more of what we have to offer. And again, I appreciate everyone. Have a blessed day and go RidgeLife.